Ever since the start of the coronavirus pandemic, Sonu Sood has won hearts with his philanthropy. In addition to running so many initiatives that benefit the lesser privileged, he is also extending financial help. Currently, as the second wave of COVID-19 in India wreaks havoc, he has been trying to help people with hospital beds, oxygen cylinders, medicines and other COVID-19 resources. A few days ago, Sonu had made an appeal to central and state governments to provide free education to children who have lost their parents due to deadly COVID-19 pandemic.
हमने देखा है कि इस कोरोना की इस वेव के अंदर बहुत सारे लोगों ने, बहुत सारे परिवार वालों ने बहुत कीमती सदस्य खोए हैं। बच्चों ने अपने माँ बाप खो दिए, किसी ने अपनी माँ खो दिए 2 दिन पहले और 2 दिन बाद उनके फादर नहीं रहे। कईयों के तो दोनों माँ बाप नहीं रहे और बच्चे बहुत छोटे छोटे हैं, कोई 10 साल का, कोई 12 साल का, कोई 8 साल का। मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि इनके फ्यूचर का क्या होगा। तो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैं सरकार से दरख्वास्त करूंगा और सारी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स हो, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हो या जो भी इंस्टीट्यूट जो मदद करती हैं, आगे आती हैं, कि एक रूल बनना चाहिए कि इस कोविड के दौरान जिन जिन लोगों ने अपने परिवार के सदस्य खोए हैं, उन बच्चों की पूरी पढ़ाई स्कूल से लेकर कॉलेज तक, चाहे वो सरकारी स्कूल्स में पढ़ते हैं चाहे वो प्राइवेट स्कूल्स में पढ़ते हैं, उनकी पढ़ाई टोटल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होनी चाहिए।
Now Priyanka Chopra has amplified Sonu Sood's plea in a long social media post, calling him as a visionary philanthropist and sharing Sonu's video on her Instagram account. She extended support to his cause. Priyanka wrote, "Have you heard of visionary philanthropists? My colleague Sonu Sood is one such. He thinks and plans ahead. Think this one out carefully because the impact is long-term and it involves children amongst the many horror stories of the pandemic. This is regarding those children who have lost one or both parents due to COVID-19. The disruption for many sadly leads to a complete stop in their education due to the combination of loss and economic factors due to that loss." She added, "Firstly, I am inspired that Sonu made this critical observation. Secondly, in typical Sonu style, he has also thought of a solution and come up with some suggestions for action. Sonu's suggestion is both the state and central governments to ensure free education for all children affected by COVID, whatever stage of studies they are at, school, college or pursuing higher studies. The aim is not to allow a pause and definitely not for the lack of finance. If ignored, a huge number of children would be left without the opportunity as adults. For those outside government, I appeal to your compassion combined with generosity and be the philanthropists. Knock on institute doors or anyone who can help to make an impact that will matter. Adopt the education of a child if you can." She concluded saying, "I fully support Sonu's ideas and I will actively work towards finding ways to support education because I have always believed that education for every child is a birthright. And we cannot, as a society, let the virus change that." Interestingly, Priyanka's post received a response from Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani, who shared a child helpline number and wrote, "Every state government and district authority is on alert to help provide support to children in need and distress. Every district has been directed to ensure that child welfare committees in the district prioritize such children."